So this is a review for the GROL class that I took. Yeah, overall really good class. It was actually pretty informative. I learned actually a good chunk of stuff. You know, other stuff, it was a good refresher. You know, the instructor was knowledgeable, made it easy to understand. I've already recommended it to a few of my airmen. It's good to get in that. It helps you, one, post Air Force or even during, you know, getting those certifications and whatnot done. So yeah, overall really good class, and will recommend it, have recommended it, and yeah.